Hi, fourth grade. This week we're going to review main idea in detail. I looked on YouTube for a video and I couldn't find one that I really liked, so I'm going to try just to do one myself. This should be a review. We're reading a nonfiction called Out of the Burning Darkness from a ReadWorks or StoryWorks article. And then you're going to have a worksheet. So I'm going to go over that worksheet with you and just quickly review main idea in detail. So I'm going to go and flip my camera around. Okay. So you may remember this poster from Main Idea in Detail. I printed it to have here at home. So remember, when you're looking for the main idea, you're looking for what the article or the text is mostly about, okay? You can look at things like titles and headings. You can look at pictures. You can remember sometimes the main idea is stated in the first or last sentence, and you're going to look for clue words or ideas that are repeated. In this one, we're going to be looking for the main idea and details of each individual section. So we're not looking for the main idea of the whole article, just each individual section. So your worksheet looks like this. And it either gives you the main idea or the details, and you have to find the other one. So you'll have to go back to the article to find the answers, because especially if you're doing details, you are looking for something specifically from the article. It has to be from the text. So the first section is from here to here. Ooh, that's blurry. Sorry, guys. And that's the first section that's on the worksheet. Okay. So it says, the main idea of this section is, while working in a coal mine in 1909, Albert Buckle experienced a devastating fire. So you're looking for details then that would prove that Albert experienced a devastating fire. So they give you the first detail. The coal miners were trapped hundreds of feet underground. You will need to reread this section to find the other details. And it's going to be anything that has to do with a fire or being trapped. So we have lots of things. Here we have flames licked at the ceiling. With each passing second, the heat grew more unbearable. He was trapped deep underground. People were panicking, or people were starting to panic. Okay, any of those would be a detail that would prove that he experienced a devastating fire. They were caught in one of the worst coal mine fires in American history. That one would be a good one. I don't know why that's so blurry. So you're going to take two of those ideas and you're going to write them here. Okay. Now, the next section is called Bright and Brisk. So for this one, you are just focusing on the heading Bright and Brisk, and it does go over to the next page and all the way to the next subheading. Okay. So your answer for this one is going to be found in here. Now, when you're coming up with the main idea, a lot of times the main idea is in your own words. It may not be something directly from the text. The details they gave you are directly from the text. But using these details as well as other details from that section, you have to write the main idea of just this section. Okay? So like I said, you will have to go back to the article. You listened to it or read it yesterday. You will have to go back to the article to find your answers, okay? Just do your very best, and I hope to see you soon.